Hey chat, can you guys hear me? Does it sound good? Please let me know if the sound is good. Okay, everything seems good my end. Everything seems good my end. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Share the link with a fellow trader. Don't have them go pay for signals when you can literally catch trades with me live completely for free here on stream. Welcome CJ, hope you're doing well. We will get into it right in a second. I just want to let everyone know that I'm live. Crazy day my side. I bet a lot of you guys saw the drama. Okay, let's get into this over here. Let's start off with DXY. On the 4 hour, we can see over here price has broken to the upside over here. Like I said, I just want to double check what happened last week. There was a no trade zone. Okay, interesting, beautiful what we see over here. We can see prices clearly forming higher highs, higher lows. I mean, this is some very clear structure forming over here, very clear. If you can't spot an uptrend here, then I honestly don't know. Just want to how do I maximize this?
Have you ever been in the mood to peruse a little world?
Oh my freaking word. Okay, so here we can see break of structure on the 4 hour. We have also swept that anticipation high, so I wouldn't be surprised if price is going to start pushing towards the downside over here to come mitigate this demand zone we have all the way down here. And until we have a clear formation up here, then I will obviously start looking towards leaning towards sales as well. So we can see currently the Asian high was slightly swept and then price started pushing to the upside, currently holding the daily high. Like we said, we tested this anticipation high over here. Let's look at the 5 minute. Here we can see a fractal break. And here was the demand zone left for us. That demand zone has flipped to supply.
I'm in my zone. Nobody offered me help, did it alone. People in glass houses shouldn't throw.
And we want to target the equilibrium of that zone.
We never had money, but we had love. Yeah, I guess all we needed was us.
It's almost like you're gonna see some sort of reversal come through here on DXY. So have a look what EU is doing. You can see over here as well. Also institutional level over here, very similar. Change of character, price has acted very nicely off the zone. Demand zone was respected. You can see further break towards the upside. Not too clear, to be honest, not too clear. So I'm just double checking this level over here, so I can have the exact zone. Okay, so if we can tap here, it will be beautiful. Then I will consider some longs. Okay. I want to see it hit that institutional point. Sorry, I'll get back to the chat in a second. There's some movement here. There's some movement happening. This is a beautiful 1 to 3. So I'll probably TP1 here at the Asia low and TP2 at the Asia high. Okay, you guys know the drill. I'll just send this out quickly. Okay. Let's quickly see what's gonna happen here. Okay. Ajax, welcome. Thoughts on NAS? I will get there in a second. Just want to see what EU is gonna do. Want to set this buy limit here for myself. Oh, it almost stopped it. Okay, buy limit, EU, EU. Hey Ryan, hey bro, long time for real, for real. How are you doing, man? Jesse. Hey Dylan Hansen, welcome. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're doing well. Okay, I've set a buy limit there. I think GU has a... The only thing with GU is we are in the zone here. The only thing with GU, we are in this... We are in the weekly structure box. Oh, this is perfect rejection, yeah. Okay, I think I'd rather stick to EU. What's up, lads? Hey, Conan, doing well, man. Doing well. How are you doing? Hey, we have a lot of people here today, guys. We have 17 views with only 7 likes. I don't know the mathing. If you guys can like and subscribe, would appreciate that. Okay, let's look at gold real quick. Gold has swept that Asian high over here. Gold has swept the Asian high. Also want to touch on one thing. I just want to mention one thing. On DXY, I am bullish on it. I want to see DXY continue pushing up, like we said. So we want to just see price push down and trade towards the upside. So this might be a very similar thing over here. That push down basically when DXY pushes. Oh, that gold is not correlating. Gold's not correlating. Like, I can't see myself trying to sell gold right now. Okay, we will get back to gold. We will get back to gold. We'll just see what price does once we get back to the zone up here. We'll just have a look what happens when price gets back there. Nasdaq. Let's look on the 4-hour real quick. I think Nasdaq, same thing. All-time highs here. Very tricky, but we did have a change of character, as you guys can see over here. Internal shock. So price respected this supply zone up here yesterday. Price has fully dropped to the downside, so we have this supply zone up here. Initially gonna have to see price continue pushing to the upside to hit this level. Asian low also swept yesterday. Also we spoke about this level on stream. Perfect tap. what's happening with the music. Okay, so if I go look at the internal structure over here, on the, like I said, the 5 minute has been a favorite lately. The 5 minutes has really been a favorite. Okay, so if I look at the zone, price tap, straight breakthrough. Okay, interesting. Okay, that was a clean break.
Climbed about the trenches as a shorty with intentions to switch my whip as much as Rick and Morty switch dimensions. Never really known for dressing gaudy, bitch. Cause listen, where I'm from, the bullets feed the ones that starving for attention.
I want to ask you guys something. Who of you guys saw the drama? Look at that rejection. But I want to target the discounted zone in this. Sorry guys, I'm just trying to... Okay, so we definitely tapped that flip zone over there, so we're gonna see if we can have a reaction here as well. Check this round number. So I'll see if we can have some sort of reaction on Nasdaq over here, something like this on the 5 minute. You can see I have an off day. Hope you do good, Jeva. I'm good, Dylan. Can't complain. Glad you're here, man. Glad you're here. I'm good, man. We've been in my grind. How's things with you? Things are good, man. I can't complain. Can't complain. Working hard on launching this broker successfully. So yeah, if you guys have not yet checked out Luxe Markets, guys, here is a link in the chat, and you guys can also get a bonus on your deposit. Not that cuck bonuses where where you blow your account if you have a little bit of drawdown. Here's a link right there. Was EU tapped in? Just gonna take a screenshot of this for my database. Thank you, Ryan, man. But like I've said multiple times on stream, I couldn't have got to this position without you guys, you know. Yeah, it's a bit tricky for me here on GU. Really tricky here on GU for me because I'm... Oh yeah, the other thing I wanted to mention was based on the weekly structure, I am bearish on these pairs. I am bearish on EU and GU. This is why I'm not going to swing for the fences on EU, because around this area I'm going to start looking for a reversal. Oil has broken through that level. Reaction. Pump to the upside. Reaction, pump to the upside. Asia. I can only start looking for a long over here. And I would rather wait for a deep pullback. Okay, maybe here we might have something. Step outside for better ventilation. Smoke some, hope some comes from the stimulation. Through it all, stay patient. Get in tune with God, for when lightning strikes, it's He who decides. Okay, interesting. What do you get euthanized? Small fries get supersized from moving pies. All while blind eyes get turned from suit and ties. The truth it lies somewhere in the middle of half-ass rappers and cap-ass crockers on cap. How's the daddy duties? Hey, bro. my Michaela said earlier, this new updated version of Kalia is too much. So I'll tell you guys something cute. Okay, so she started like, obviously she's still young, she can't speak yet, but she does this thing where she goes da 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 da. So obviously it sounds like da da, you know. It's beautiful, bro. It's a beautiful experience. But now with that also said, like, she discovered that she can scream, bro. So now she would just like, bro, she would just shout for no reason, just because she can't do it, and she would laugh, bro. Now it's gotten to that point where it's like, I'm even like, baby, like, yo, like, puppy loves you, but yo, like, no. Okay, now if you guys don't know about the drama, nothing, it's alright. I actually thought, because there's so many people on the stream, you guys have seen the video, so but now I'm not gonna give him clout. I'm not gonna give him clout. He's, I wouldn't say he's well known, but yeah, bro, she's so cute. Hey guys, we have 20 people watching but only 13 likes. Can we get the likes up? And then I always say this, guys, if you guys are watching, if you guys know 1 or 2 people who trade, and just share the link with them, we can double the viewership. It's gonna help me so much. I want the tea. Oh, that Rasta trader. Okay, so Jigs, you've seen the video. Okay. Hey, you guys, blue balls, yeah. Nah, Jigs saw the video. That Rasta trader, yeah. I really can't believe that, like, you're like, yeah, Dylan, that, bruh. I can't believe I just realized the light looks so weird. I just realized, I can't believe people, like, are hating on us so much. And, like, we barely even took off yet. We barely even took off yet. Also, very interesting, notice this here on EU. This is yesterday's low, which price has left. And notice this rejection. So, support to resistance. So, a lot of people want to sell early. So, I want to sell up there. But this is the current low of the day. Like, yo guys, I give you guys so much gems on this on the stream. If you guys don't pick up on the things I do within, I don't know. Bro, John just 100k retain. You can't get, like, you can't get mad, man. You can't get mad. You can't get mad. Okay, let's have a look here. What's Nasdaq doing? Let's an alert you on Nasdaq. Chicks away from 2 just looks weird without a range. Wait, if Nasdaq rejected like that yesterday, didn't think it also reject a similar way? Yeah, thingy also rejected like that. So very interesting what's happening over here. Quite a long way down for these pairs. So if price is in my yellow box, I don't look for trades in the yellow box. If it's above the yellow box, I sell it. If it's below the yellow box, I buy it. I mean, it makes sense, right? Look, if it's above the yellow box, you sell. Below the yellow box, you buy. Nasdaq. Where's Nasdaq's yellow box? Nasdaq's yellow box is somewhere over here. So you see there, once again, below the box, you buy. Above the box, you sell. Makes sense, right? You can even use the box as highs and lows as TPs. GU. Okay, that song is a bit. See, once again, there above the box you sell, below the box you buy. And EU once again. The box is all the way up there at the weekly open. Why did the lady drop Vault Markets for Luxe? I think the better question to ask, Gel. I don't know how to say your name, Gel, but I'll just say J Broken. J Broken. I think the better question to ask is, why did so many people leave Vault? And why are many of those people at Luxe? I think that's a better question to ask. That guy blocked me on IG because I faced him cack. Bro, guys, listen to this. Listen to this. I've said it multiple times on stream that I don't want to beef with anyone. I don't like I just want everyone to stay in their lane. You guys would know I've been saying this. I just want everyone to stay in their lane. But there's like people look for reasons to like provoke us, you know. And the thing is, we have so much evidence on so many people, but like, if we look here, guys, look here. We at Luxe have a choice. We can either build this broker organically and how we should, or we can build it by tarnishing other people's names by making us look good, you know. But the second option, you don't want to build a brand based on that negativity. You understand what I'm trying to say? This is why we do not engage with drama. This is why, like, we don't. This is why you guys won't see me beefing publicly anymore. I'll let my lawyer handle things from now on. You know, I have a lawyer now. All these things, like, you know, so I don't need to be putting myself in a position where I can get compromised. The second thing is, why, if other people are so successful and they make so much money, why do they need to badmouth us if they don't feel threatened? Nee? Okay, so this is what happened after Capital Bulls said that.
Kijk hier, Jevon, ik zie Capital Bulls, kijk, het weet, even dat ik van Luxe Markets promoten, zo, ik like jij wat hij doet. Nou, ik heb gehoord, hij praat kak van Luxe Markets according, hij had 100.000 rand upfront gezocht. As a payment.
Okay, so you guys obviously know that voice, right? And this is why I say, like, I don't even have to. I don't like when I saw it, when I saw it, I messaged Marlene and I asked her, "You want me to do something about it?" And then she told me, "No, leave it." Like, and then also, like, I spoke to someone else at Luxe also, and they still said they didn't want to involve anyone else with this. And look at that, like, I don't per se even have to fight this battle, if that makes sense. Hey, welcome, Nico. He decided to enter shorts on US30 before Donald Trump's inauguration, and he said he would never buy the market when it's at discount. And he said the US market was going up, was going up, my bro. Wait, like, here's the thing. If you're gonna, like, here's the thing, Dylan, if you're gonna say something like that, at least, like, back it up with some sort of link or some sort of evidence, you know, that you can refer to if you have a conspiracy. But like that bra, man, he must put the weed down. Don't worry, I will get you other questions in a second. I just want to double check we're not missing anything here. Okay. Okay, we're gonna check what's happening here on oil as well. Okay, I see someone. Anything not to be wrong, and I think also the reason why And I think also the reason why Raul's gonna get involved with this, because Raul still has a bone to pick with him. Which is like, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Like, I'm gonna say that, one thing I've learned, and I will say this. I'll say this. One thing Chris has taught me. One thing I've learned from Chris, when I was at Vault, and this is why I have a lot of love for Chris. I have a lot of love for him. I've really learned a lot from him. One thing I've learned was pick your battles carefully. Some battles are for now. Some battles are for later. Some battles are meant to walk away from. Some battles are won privately. Some battles don't even need your attention. You know, that is one thing I've learned from Chris, and which to me, like, I feel like it's one of the biggest things, because, like, you guys would know, I have a temper, you know. If Jesus put the weed down, then you must know. Nee, trust me, if I say it, then you must lean know. But okay, to answer someone's question, yeah, Jeff, so do I get paid every time someone clicks my link and trades? Yes. Everyone who promotes a broker gets paid. Anyone who says otherwise, hulle praat kak. Almal word betaal. Why would I do something that's not in my interest financially? Think about it. Nee? Now, let me explain how this works. There's two ways a broker makes money, and this goes back to if you've watched my trading alchemy. You have A book and you have B book brokers, right? A book is when your order goes directly to the liquidity provider. B book, if it's you versus the broker. I think many people already know that, right? So, okay, how does the broker make money in general? They make money on the spread or commission. How does this work? And on swaps. How does this work? Have you ever seen, okay, let's make an example real quick. Let's say you're on oil, right? This is where price is current. Okay, wait, this is a bad example because price is gonna move. Let's make an example. Say this is where price is moving, right? And say this is the candle. Say we have a bearish candle over here. Let's make it a massive red candle. I'm gonna explain this to you in detail and show you how people make money. And how everyone can make money from trading. In fact, everyone can actually make money like this. I actually wanted to call someone out on this the other day, but then they deleted the post because I wanted to show that, look here, look how they're exposing themselves. Say this is a candle, right? Say this is a candle. Now, say this because it's bearish, this is where price is at. So I'll place a green line here, a massive green line for you all to see it. That is where price is trading at, right? Then you'll notice that there's another line on your chart. That is your spread. So what happens? So let's say you sell here. So let's say your entry point is right over here, right? You don't go into profit unless this candle moves down with price. So price moves down and the spread moves down. Then you are in profit. So what happens with that little loss that's happening there between the spread? That is the cost of doing business, right? Okay, let's take it further. Let's say you trade a zero spread account and this is where price is trading at. The moment you enter a trade, commission is taken from your balance. You pay a fee for entering that trade. Once again, the cost of doing business. Now, let's say for instance, now this can happen. This can happen in multiple ways. I'll make a simple example. Okay, let's say you trade. Okay, let's make an example. Say you trade one lot. One pip on a lot equals how much? $10, right? $10. So I'm just making an example real quick because your spread is, but I'm just making an example. So let's say for every lot you trade, right? Let's say for every lot you trade, whether you trade 0.01, 0.05, 0.10, like if you trade one full lot in total, let's say that total equals $10. So if you trade one lot, let's say for instance, for example, the broker makes $10. Now, let's say I refer you to the broker, right? Let's say I refer you to the broker. I can then get a percentage of this money because you are my client. You understand what I'm trying to say? So, let's say for instance, out of that, I get, let's say $2. $2, right? Let's say I get $2 out of it. This would mean a client would have to trade one lot every day for me to make $2. It's not a lot of money. It's not a lot of money, ne? But now think about it this way. If you have a lot of clients and you can refer a lot of people to a broker, obviously the broker will make a lot of money. You see, this is why these guys negotiate deals with the brokers. They ask them money up front and so forth because they know the broker will make the money back. It's business, ne? Same thing for the spread. It's hard to explain the spread because, for instance, that 10 cents loss, you might get 2 cents from that. It's not a lot of money. It's not a lot of money. But that is the thing about this. If you do it properly, what happens when you teach people to actually trade the market and make money? What's going to happen to their lot sizes? Their lot sizes will become bigger. And what will happen to your commissions? Your commissions will become bigger. You understand? Do you see where I'm going with this? So, I wish I could. I don't have my HFM logins here on this PC. I would have shown you how much money I make from commissions at this moment. I make like $5 a month in commissions. $5 a month. That is with the last broker I was affiliated with, HFM. You guys remember I left Volt and I was with HFM. So they didn't have a lot of people who signed up there. I make $5. So this is what I'm saying, guys. Be careful of everyone who says we're doing this for the community. Be careful of people who say this for the community. They're doing this for the community. I've been doing this for years as a broke trader. As a broke trader, you know. This is why I say, like, people must show, if they make withdrawals, they must show the MetaTrader withdrawal. Don't show us an email, because the email you get is from, if you transfer the money to your wallet and you withdraw, you get an email withdrawal. It's not a real withdrawal. Show us MetaTrader, show us trades, show us you trade live, show us you take profit, show us you withdraw, show us that money hits your account, whether it's a $10, a $20, whether it's $100. Wys vir die mense. Don't show the people emails. Show them the whole process. Show them the whole process. This is why why do you guys think every trader that goes to social media is affiliated with a broker or a prop firm? Why do you guys think that? And they all have their link. Because affiliation equals commission. But now the thing is, if the company you are partnered with obviously is scammy, whatever the case, then you're gonna become scammy, you know? Then, guys, I can go on and on and on and on and on. He says a lot of whack stuff, and his music I don't like. Yeah, brilliant. Anyway, guys, we have the action here on oil. Let's see what's gonna happen. What's NASDAQ doing? NASDAQ is still fighting that level. I think we have FOMC tonight, right? If I'm not mistaken. I think we have FOMC. Does also, for instance, if you really wanna test the trader, then you tell them, like, okay, you were obviously working with a broker as well, show me like your profits, and then show me how much commission you also make, and you compare whether they make more commission or more profits. And this is why you would see brokers supporting people with big followings, because they know that there's a lot of people who's gonna watch there. This is why, for instance, that guy Capital Bulls, if someone does send you this, that we've spoken about you on my stream, I wanna tell you this, bro, you're a fucking idiot. You're an idiot, because you're going on over 100,000 rand, that you're not entitled to it in the first place. You're not entitled to it in the first place. Just because another broker has used you to scam people doesn't mean every broker must pay you money. And I also want to explain something, one thing on that retainer, You guys see, he must ask for 100,000 rand up front. Most likely the reason why he did that is so that he can take that money, put it into his account and then withdraw it and say, hey, I just withdrew 100k from Luxe. So at number one, he can mislead people to buy his services, yet still refer people to the broker. Now from the broker's end, it will be like, okay, he's bringing in business, but the moment shit comes out, that then reflects on the broker. You see, so this is why, like, I don't want to say too much. I've had people message me with their deals, and I told them no. This is not what we do here at Luxe. We don't do that. And why also can say that, when Marlene, so he says in that video that Marlene contacted him, so she must do whatever the case, I will say this, Marlene also contacted me, and I told her this is my vision. The only thing I want, if we must work together, the only thing I want is a space for my people. I want the office. It's the only thing I told her. It's the only thing I want. I just want the office. We had the back and forth, like really like discussions, like, okay, but Jevon, why? What can you bring to the table? Because remember, the office must pay for itself. How? You guys must trade. What must happen? I must make sure I give you guys good trades. Why? Because you're gonna trade volume. If you make money, you will trade bigger lot sizes. The broker will make more money. I will look good to Marlene. I will grow even further in the space. Luxe will grow further. The people who were there supporting me in the first place, I would never forget them. I take them up with me even more. Like, I play chess, not checkers. I play chess in real life. And last point before I end this. Last point. My main thing was I never asked Marlene for money. I never asked her for money. The only thing I asked her for was to help us get a space for my people. And we have one vision in mind, to empower people. So anyone else who speaks kak about Luxe, they don't know what they're talking about. They're either just on nargat because I rejected their deal and I don't want to partner with them and I don't want to bring my clients to them so that they can manipulate my clients, or they most likely not because we rejected their proposal. Come on, EU. So EU's just gonna leave us now as well. See, we had the beautiful day yesterday. If you were on stream, EU hit first TP, and then second position was break even. Jeff, can you go show the spirit of gold and Geo on the broker? Dope song in the background. Yeah, Nia. Okay, let me show you guys. Dylan, I just have to set it up now quickly. I had to figure out a way to do that now quick. Let me okay, audio. Okay, let me just do this. Okay. You can't really see me, my camera quality is cuck, but okay, you said Geo gold. But open an account, Dylan, open an account, then you can see for yourself. Wait. Let me do this. This is the 1 minute chart. This is the 1 minute chart. Kira, I hope you can see the. Wait. Let's do this. There should be better. I hope you guys can see. That is the 1 minute chart. The 1 minute chart. Let me show you EU. This is a normal account. Minimum deposit 100 rand deposit. This is EU. Sometimes the spread goes raw. Sometimes the spread guys, my webcam is kak. But like literally guys, you can just Dylan open an account, click on the link in the chat, and click on the link in the chat. I'm gonna pin it. Open an account, just open an account, and then you open an MT5 account and you log in and just go check the spreads, bro. Just go check the spreads, and you'll see. Yeah, I can't believe I spent half an hour talking about that brand now.
Keep your head strong. If I quit now, then I'm dead wrong. Fighting off this hunger for hours. Big step, a nigga don't get stepped on. The money might fade, but respect don't. Still gonna be me when success gone. I don't speak the language of cowards. I walk through the flame like I'm Teflon. I sucked up the pain and I kept going. Whole world know my name, bitch, my rep strong. We sold out in less than an hour. These words I still sing like I'm slept on. I sin so I can't cast the next stone unless it's baguettes round my neck bone.
I'm opening one tomorrow. I just wanted to know if they're good like Xness when it comes to spread and execution, but I also want to compare Pro. Trust me, Dylan. You can, bro, Dylan. I would even say this, ne? I would even say this, Dylan, ne? You can even just put 100 rand in, ne? And just like 0.01, just open and close. And just feel how smooth it is. Getting in, getting out. No delay, nothing. He's in and 8, bro. And then like I said yesterday also, I can say all these good things about Luxe, but only you guys can be the true judge of it. Like I can say all these good things about them, but you guys have to experience it for yourself, like. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. I think the margin requirement is like 40 rand, if I'm not mistaken.
Shit gon' get hard, keep your head strong. If I quit now, then I'm dead wrong.
1 to 500. Brokers with leverage of 1 to 500 plus will soon get warnings from the FSCA. The days of 1 to 1000 leverage is over. So we're gonna miss EU, yeah. It's gonna suck. Oh damn. I think they have 1 to 1000 if I'm not mistaken. But it's very simple. They should just thingy. They're just gonna. What did I have to do now?
This time around I trust myself. Please everybody else but myself. All else fails, I was myself. Outdone fear, outdone myself. This year you better won yourself. Mask on the babies, mask on the opera, mask in the neighborhood stores you shop, but a mask won't hide who you are inside. Look around, the reality's carved in lies. Wipe my ego, dodge my pride. Look myself in the mirror, Amityville, ain't seen nothing scarier. I fought like a pit bull terrier, blood I shed could fill up aquariums. Tell all my angels carry them. Every emotion been deprived, even my strong points couldn't survive. If I didn't learn to love myself, forgive myself 100 times, dawg. I love when you count me out. 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 Fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, fucking it up. How you gonna wear my shorts when the lights run deep? How you gonna bend your love when the bed don't sleep?
Okay. And Xbox they have unlimited. Yo, I miss those days, eh? Want to unlimited leverage. You know what I like? That Luxe doesn't have to hide the FSP number. You don't have to search heavy for it. Yeah, and you know what's even more cool about Luxe, Dylan? Like, we're not under someone else's FSP. Like many of these other brokers. We actually have our own FSP. It's literally everywhere. Every post, every website. Like, yo. Let's hope we get something here on the table.
Fuck what you from a distance. I put it on the devil when they fall short. I put it on my ego, Lord of all lords. Sometimes I fall for. I love when you count me out. I love when you count me out.
There's another broker that's also beefing us. And their website literally states that a liquidity provider is a market maker. And I'm like, okay. Alright. Just to attend to the Wi-Fi quickly.
Some things I must confess. Spoke my truth, paid my debt. Can't you see I'm a wreck? Let me loose. I digress. This is me, and I'm blessed. 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 Anybody fighting through the stress? Anybody fighting through the?
She my number one, I don't need nothing on the side. Said that I was done for good and don't want no more lies. But my phone be blowing up, temptations on my line. I stare at the screen a while before I press decline. But she plants a seed and it still lingers in my mind. Told myself I'm strong enough to shake it and I'm trying. But I'm only human, I know loving you's a crime. If I take this cookie now, one day I'll do the time. Slip me a Zanny at once. I got the earth and the blunt. I get the skirt when I want. I get the skirt when I want. Due to the money aroma, my girl, she got a diploma. She got white written all over. She got white written all over. All a nigga know is how to fuck a good thing up. Run from the pain, sip lean, smoke tree up. When I'm in your town, press pound, hit me up. When I'm in your town, press pound, hit me up. Only if you down and you slurp good D up. If the work good, I'll be back for the re-up. Hate when I creep in the phone, wake me up. Fake like I'm sleep, knowing damn well I be up. Monkey on my back and I walk 100 miles. Guilt make a nigga feel fake when he smile. Love get confused in the mind of a child. Cause love wouldn't lie like I lie and it's wild. Wanna have my cake and another cake too. Even if the baker don't bake like you. Even when the flavor don't taste like you. So I'm back mobbing with the late night crew. All in your mind with fears that would come true. Back in my mind was you. Wishing that I could blind myself from view. And only have eyes for you. Slip me a Zanny at once. I got the earth and the blunt. I get the skirt when I want. I get the skirt when I want. Due to the money aroma, my girl, she got a diploma. She got white written all over. She got white written all over. I'm a fake nigga and it's never been clearer. Can't see myself when I look in the mirror. Can't see myself when I look in the mirror. Can't see myself when I look in the mirror. I'm a fake nigga and it's never been clearer. Can't see myself when I look in the mirror. Can't see myself when I look in the mirror. Can't see myself when I look in the mirror. She my number one, I don't need nothing on the side. Said that I was done.
I am back. I'm gonna call it Jev. I'm up 1.4% for the day. Check your bladders. Cheers, bro. All good, man. All good. What did you guys see the news for the new exchange?
Selfish, I know that I use her. My ego gets stroked and I bruise her. My ego gets stroked and I bruise her. My actions, I know they confuse her. Happy as usual. On the road, I'm a Mac, I'm a chooser. I'm an addict, I'm asking it. Jevon Pharo. Tell me what's
You guys must check out. You guys must check this out. This is big. This is gonna be big.
What's done in the dark will always find a way to shine. I done did so much that when you see you might go blind. Fell in love through photograph. I don't even know your name. Wonder if you follow back. I hope to see you one day. I won't show my niggas now. I'll keep this one for myself. Love today's gone digital, and it's messing with my health. Damn, I love your sense of humor. You don't get caught up in rumors. You don't be talking about who fucking who, and I notice the way you maneuver. Sexy but never show too much. Ain't heard from you in like 2 months. All of a sudden you pop on my line. You can make time, stop on a dime. I think you mastered the art of sublime. Your type is harder to find. You can turn water to wine, yeah. You can turn water to wine, yeah. I think you mastered the art of sublime. Your type is harder to find. You can turn water to wine, yeah. You can turn water to wine, feel me? Niggas be talking so slick. I'm not the nigga for lip, yeah. Putting my heart in the click, yeah. Can't see my heart, it don't fit, yeah. Don't think I'm built for this shit, yeah. Too busy thinking what if, yeah. I shoot my shot in the brick, yeah. I shoot my shot in the brick, yeah. Niggas be talking so slick, yeah. I'm not the nigga for lip, yeah. Putting my heart in the click, yeah. Can't see my heart, it don't fit, yeah. Don't think I'm built for this shit, yeah. Too busy
Can't believe he messed straight again.
I shoot my shot in the brick, yeah. I shoot my shot in the brick. Fell in love through photograph. I don't even know your name. Wonder if you follow back. I hope to see you one day. I won't show my niggas now. I'll keep this one for myself. Love today's gone digital, and it's messing with my health. Feel like I gotta say something. Thought that you got my heart jumping, but I can't come up with nothing. No, but I can't come up with nothing. I put it off for a day. I come back around your way, searching for what I could say that accurately could convey the way that I feel in the word
that's different than what you done heard. So many done hit you with game, so many been sent to the curb. And I did not come here to play, and I did not come to observe, and I did not come here to play, but I did not come to observe. Feel me? Niggas be talking so slick. I'm not the nigga for lip. Yeah, putting my heart in the click. Yeah, can't see my heart, it don't fit. Yeah, don't think I'm built for this shit. Yeah, too busy thinking what if. Yeah, I shoot my shot in the brick. Yeah, I shoot my shot in the brick. Yeah, niggas be talking so slick. Yeah, I'm not the nigga for lip. Yeah, putting my heart in the click. Yeah, can't see my heart, it don't fit. Yeah, don't think I'm built for this shit. Yeah, too busy thinking what if. Yeah, I shoot my shot in the brick. Yeah, I shoot my shot in the brick.
Fell in love through photographs.
I don't think we're gonna get a trade, to be honest.
If you follow
I think, but also, if I'm not mistaken, I think we have FOMC tonight.
I won't show my niggas now. I'll keep this one for myself. Love today's gone digital. And it's
Yeah, FOMC tonight. I think dollar's gonna be slow now. Oh, I should have taken it based on the dollar correlation. Yeah, I think it's gonna be a miss. I think it's gonna be a miss. So are they gonna see? Ooh, are they gonna see the dollar retrace till this point? So I would have to. I'd have to wait for EU to make a higher high first before I can decide. But okay, guys, technically that was supposed to be our entry down there, but I'm gonna run now, sort a few more things here at home, and yeah. But other than that, guys, it's always much love streaming for you guys. Beautiful one again today. I think 3 out of 3 this week for our direction, but we can only execute one of them so far. So yeah, we'll see. I'll probably be trading FOMC with my members later on tonight. So if you're not part of that, unfortunately, you know. But yeah, guys, much love. I'll see you guys tomorrow, and don't forget to open your account with Luxe. Much love.
Smoke.